Kelsey. I'm a sophomore, undeclared but sociology major, and I play guitar in the Bluegrass ensemble.
My name is Sam Frickholm. I'm a first year, undecided as to what I want to study, and I play banjo in the Bluegrass ensemble.
Hi, my name is Keith Reed, and I work at Colorado College, and I teach bluegrass music, all things bluegrass, folk music, roots music. Yeah, that's an A+. Everyone else got an A-, but you got an A+. Of course, just playing music with other people is very soothing, and it's a wonderful experience.
In a time where stress is the highest it's probably ever been for many people, it's just a really great way to sort of check out from reality and to partake in something that's really soothing.
Stress of the pandemic, music is a great way of relieving that stress, and we get together. Of course, we're socially distanced, we're wearing masks, we're playing music together, and it's a great experience and a great outlet for students and myself, really.
I think it has helped me deal with the hardships of the pandemic, just because it's so nice to like get out of my head a little bit and like be in a space with other people and still be social distance and feel safe. So.
I think the Bluegrass Ensemble is certainly becoming a community. I mean, I already look forward every week to seeing all the faces, even if it is only halfway up.
I think having to wear masks and being far away definitely has made it a little bit harder, but it's definitely like so nice to see the same familiar faces every week.
Good, that was cool. Okay, so that's a really good number. Thank you so much. Good work on that. Okay. So it's a really wonderful way to have a friendship is through music.